Oh no, they're turtles. They're alive, man. Yeah, they are. Okay, whoa.
I think she's dead.
Okay, so we have a whole bunch of turtles and I think a baby dolphin on some line here. I wonder if somebody did this on purpose. Hello and welcome back to Sailing Miss Lone Star. In this week's video, we do something really cool that makes me feel really good in my heart. You know, I love animals and I'm not gonna spoil it for you, so I really hope you enjoy this video. If you've been missing me, I've been missing you too. I have been with my hands full with my beautiful new daughter, Violet, and just really enjoying being back on the boat. That has just been the joy of my life. I'm catching back up on videos and I'm really missing you guys. I'm starting to dig into some projects. Literally, if you're following me on the daily show, you can see me quite literally digging into the boat. It's not my favorite, but it's happening. So woodwork is a challenge for me. It's not my forte, but I'm learning because alas, I am on a big wooden boat. So I really hope you guys enjoy this episode. It's really good to see you again. And yeah, leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. We are finally leaving Barra de Navidad. Okay, I am now teaching them how to set the mainsail. We're under power. We just left Barra Navidad and we are going into wind before we hook a hard left heading south. We're gonna set the mainsail first. Okay, so we're all watching on the Navionics and we're like, what is this obstruction? There's 6,000 feet of depth out here and we see this like thing that looks like a rock on Navionics, and turns out it's just like a random container ship that's not going anywhere. Also, this mountain, did anyone not notice that this mountain's on fire? Like that whole mountain is on fire.
You can only see the containers, so it literally looks like it's like a rock. And then as we got closer, we see the bottom.
It's marked as a rock, but that is definitely a container ship. Lots of containers on it. Also looks like an engine's on. Do you see this smokestack? We have a couple hundred miles under our keel, away from Puerto Vallarta, and then soon, America. So we're taking the mainsail down now. We really have no wind. At this point, in order to take the main down, you have to have monkey toes. And this girl, like a stud, is reading a book. Trying.
Ah, por eso, es que esto te va a ayudar a aquí.
Ah, ok, pensé que había que sacarlo para hacerlo.
Ahí está.
One way the winch moves fast and the other way the winch moves slow.
And now the winch always put it in a safe spot.
Because we only have one.
Because we only have one.
Which is not smart. You're doing so good, I like that technique. A little twist, look at you, like a pro. Oh no, they're turtles. I'm gonna go grab the actual gas.
These two turtles are we're trying to save.
I'm in neutral now.
No, I think they are alive.
I think it's a fucking dolphin.
Ah, okay, I'm gonna jump.
They're alive. Listen, you guys, I want to tie all of this off to this right here. We're gonna get them stuck to the side here. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of turtles and I think a baby dolphin on some line. Here, cut.
Dude, is this gonna be a mess if we put this on deck like this? Where are we putting them?
But we need to make sure to get off all the line before we release them.
I'm just gonna.
I want you to first see this one with all of the line around his neck that's looking at us. Cut all that line from his neck first, because we know for sure he's alive. I don't know for sure the other one is alive. And remember, they bite. All right.
Don't get a hooky, okay?
Yeah, there you go. Great. Now slowly start to loosen. Cut maybe some of those bottles loose right there that you just touched. Yeah, cut that one. Great. I think the other guy might have drowned.
No, he's still alive. I saw his.
Okay, we got a stingray I think on the bottom too, so everyone be careful. Prank Kata!
Such a fucking mess. Are you serious?
It's sad.
Look at this.
Oh my god, there was no way without getting him on board.
What the fuck, poor guy.
Okay, I think we should, if we bring them all, let's bring them. Can we get her in the boat? Now let me get this other one. I'm gonna start cutting this line loose so we're safe of hooks. I want you to start working on this guy's neck because his face is turning blue, okay?
Get it around his neck, dude. Okay. He's super soft in here. Fuck.
We're just gonna get this big boy off first. I'm pretty sure turtles aren't supposed to be on their back. So as soon as we can start to flip him over to his stomach, I think the better for his internal organs.
I can't slit
Okay,
his neck
there we
because I'm
go.
gonna cut his neck.
Good job. Nice, nice, nice. So, you know where the drawers are next to the lower helm?
No, that one is sharp. There you
Woo,
go.
okay, buddy, you can breathe now. Okay, let's move him over to his stomach. Good job, good job, good job.
It's on the side.
Okay, whoa, holy shit.
No? Okay, we need to turn it around. Wow. No.
There we go, woo. All right,
Yes.
cool, good job. Woo!
I think she's dead.
No, she's alive still, barely. Yeah, keep going, let it all the
There
way.
you go.
Will you go get a trash bag from underneath and we're gonna collect this line so this doesn't happen again?
She's not showing a lot of signs of fight here.
No, she isn't. All right, big girl, you're breathing. Good baby.
What's up? It's a hook?
Wow, the poor thing. Could you imagine being stuck in the ocean in this f***ing shit? It sounded like she took a big breath.
This is
Oh, there she goes. She's breathing now. How did this even happen? I wonder if somebody did this on purpose.
There you go.
That's it.
That's it, baby.
Okay, she can breathe now.
He
Oh, you got
he
slapped.
me in the face. Yeah, when we threw him
Oh
over,
my
he fucking
gosh.
slapped me.
No way.
Yeah. Am I bleeding?
Yeah.
You're bleeding kind of a lot. Oh, you're just doing a little cleaning for it too while you're at it. Oh, she's pooping. Is that blood that she's pooping? Or just normal turtle poop?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there she is. Watch all the hooks, guys. Watch all the hooks. Okay, something's on her leg there.
Come back towards me. Come back towards me.
There we go. Woo! Okay, send her.
Okay. Don't do this, guys.
Oh, woo! Good girl. All right. Okay, now after all that excitement, I think we might be stuck on a whole bunch of line and possibly a baby dolphin. I'm not sure. So let's, let's take down, so we set up the halyards to haul these big guys up like this, but now we have a whole bunch of hook and line just swinging around the boat. So what we're gonna do actually is, can you hold this? Can somebody grab this so it doesn't get caught in our lines? That's gonna be a whole nother issue. Okay, Kata, go ahead and lower this down, this halyard down.
Should I check the propeller or no?
Yeah, but you actually need to have a rope that we can attach to you so we don't lose you. The blood on your face is really, you look like a real sailor.
That's my boy.
Like right across. I'm sorry, I don't want to laugh, but you look like really badass right now.
Nice. Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a good one.
Hola.
I said, I'm
Now you're not going anywhere.
Be careful, alright? Good shit. Good shit, baby.
I got a fish on.
Whoa! We got a big brown fish.
So my watch was the most interesting watch of watches.
I was asking what is the weirdest thing.
You were just asking, yes, what is the weirdest thing that's happened at sea? I'm glad we got him though. I'm glad we turned around. Oh yeah, we need to cut that line out too. That was from the other turtle that you and I were trying to save on the other side. We're on the road again. It's still my watch. Next morning after our turtle save, and I am so tired. Taking little 15-minute siestas on this dog bed with Poodle, solo style. Everyone else is sleeping. And I'm on watch for 2 more hours. am so tired. I lost my personality today. My shift's almost over. And then siesta. What happened? Your new duck friend just, at least you weren't looking up with your mouth open. Ew!
My glasses, eh?
I saw the full.
That's a Pacific milkshake.
Oh.
He served you the Pacific milkshake.
And with that, I'm gonna go to bed. Now that you guys are, what do you call it, sea shepherds, how do you feel? You got the battle wound on your face? Kanto was like, what is your weirdest experience at sea? And I'm like, man, there's so many. And how long later until we picked up like a dolphin, 3 turtles, and a stingray?
Half an hour, 40 minutes. So crazy.
Yeah, that was wild. No one got hurt. That was surprising.
Well, he got hurt.
A little bit. Yeah. That's like small enough to be cool
It's
still.
like a kiss.
Yeah.
Turtle kiss.